The Northwest Regional Inclusive Education Community of Practice is being set up today.
The Northwest Regional Inclusive Education Community of Practice has been called to see their work for children with disabilities as a humanitarian call. The Director of CBC Health Services, Professor T. Pius Murphy, met the call at the launch of a community of practice to foster inclusive education in the region on the 5th of February 2022.
Inclusive community of practice that you see being set up today is necessitated by the fact that we live in a community where we have people living with various forms of disabilities, and they have been neglected over the years. But we've seen now that it is really very, very important that everybody be involved in taking care of people with disabilities in that environment. And therefore, it's not something that one person should do. It's not just the Ministry of Social Affairs, it is not just the churches, it is not just the government, it is everybody in the community. And for this to happen, we have to come together, concert, and discuss and see how we can work together to take care of those that live with disabilities in our community.
The interveners in the community of practice, who are education stakeholders in the region, are coming as a community to leverage their know-how, which will consequently improve the academic performance of children with disabilities.
Communities of practice are usually made up of people who share an interest in a particular phenomenon. And so when they share this interest, it means that they are implementing or practicing whatever their interest lies in different ways. In the case of education, definitely all the schools have been implementing inclusive education in their own ways. So a community of practice is that space where they are all going to meet, share their experiences, share their expertise, learn from one another, carry out research, and grow so that whatever services we are rendering in the different schools will be of high quality.
As the inclusive education community of practice get to work, they have been called to complement each other. For in development work, complementarity is the key in service delivery. Akem Olive Sengkwine in Bamenda.